If you're a new acrylic artist out there and you're just intimidated, scared, or worried about varnishing your paintings due to health concerns, or just you're worried in general, allow me to introduce you to the best beginner-friendly varnish there is that's safe. This is Liquitex Gloss Varnish, and the best thing about it is it's water-based and it's extremely easy to use. I'm gonna show you how in this video right here. Let's go. So what are the advantages to using a water-based varnish? Well, the first one being it has a lower toxicity and odor to it. It also has faster drying times and has a tendency to not yellow over time compared to solvent-based varnishes. It's also way easier to clean up if you accidentally spill it, get it on your skin or clothes, or in fact, if you accidentally leave it on one of your varnish brushes and it hardens over time. In fact, I just did a video on this that goes over how to solve this issue. If it happens to you, I'll put it in the top corner for you right now. Watch it at the end of this video here. And the last key thing about using a water-based varnish is it's way healthier and safer to use in an enclosed space. If you have a studio or a small apartment, or if you're using it in a school or even around kids, water-based varnishes are the way to go. So why am I recommending this product? Well, I honestly believe, like I said at the top of this video, it's not intimidating and it's extremely easy for brand new acrylic artists to use. In fact, allow me to show you. I went ahead and I pre-gessoed a canvas board here. We got white gesso and black gesso. Then I threw down some simple color swatches. We have red, blue, green, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, and Van Dyke brown. This is our control. This is our before. I'll do a close-up here so you can see what the saturations of colors are and what the contrast of that color is. Now, let's use this varnish and throw it down so this way you can see what type of effect it has on this canvas board here. It's going to increase gloss, it's also going to increase color saturation, and also give us a protective coating on top, but I want to show you just how easy it is to use. Now, the supplies you will need is obviously one bottle of varnish. You will need one large soft varnish brush. I recommend a paper plate or paper bowl to pour the varnish into, and a protective surface to varnish on. For this, I'm just gonna use a basic junk towel, but use whatever you want or whatever you have available to you. Now, applying this type of varnish is extremely easy. Pour out some of your varnish onto a paper plate or the paper bowl. This way you can have an even distribution across your varnish brush. Then take that varnish brush that's got a nice even coating and go across your painting or your canvas board in nice, fluid, smooth strokes. Make sure that you rub off the edges and the corners where the varnish can collect, and then wipe off the brush one more time, then go from top to bottom and side to side to remove any excess varnish that might be sitting on top or pooling in particular spots of your painting. Now let this varnish layer dry for 3 hours in a clean area, and don't forget about your varnish brush that you just used. Make sure you clean it up, get all that varnish out, so it's good to use for the next coat. 3 hours have passed and it's time to put on the second coat, and the best part about this is you basically just repeat the same steps. Put your varnish in a paper plate or a bowl, get a nice even distribution across your varnish brush, and do some nice fluid long strokes across your painting or canvas board. Then wipe off the excess, go over it one more time, and that's it, and allow that layer to dry for another 3 hours. All right, our time has passed and we have two beautifully dried varnish coatings on top of our canvas board. Now, the very first thing I notice when I touch it and pick it up is just how smooth the finish is on top. And you saw me just slap it on. I didn't really give it much thought. The fact that it self-leveled and made this beautiful coating is awesome. Number two, you probably noticed it right away, it's just how strong this glossy effect is. You can make it even more glossy by adding more coats. I stopped at 2 because I only have so much time in the day, but it looks beautiful and it was easy to achieve. And number 3, a little hard to see on camera, I'll try to show you in close-ups here, but it does increase the saturation value of the colors on the canvas here. All of these were easy to achieve with this water-based varnish, and I do truly believe this is one of the easiest and the safest things to use for a brand new acrylic artist out there. Now, this comes in different bottle sizes. Generally, you'll see it anywhere from $15 to $30, and it's a good buy at any one of those prices. You can sometimes find it even cheaper with coupons on Amazon. I'll do you a favor and put links down below in the video description. By the way, those links do help me out, so thank you very much. I think every artist out there should start varnishing their paintings for the reasons we just went over. And I have some amazing videos on varnishing tips, which you can check out over to my side, as well as if you accidentally get any hardened varnish in your paintbrush and how to clean it up and save it and restore it. I'll see you in those videos. Thank you so much for watching. This ending was hard because I stuttered a lot through it and it took me many takes. So give me a like down below. I'll catch you later. Peace.